This is a stunning renovated residence. You've got water access on title, level lawns, a pool, and you've even got a stunning alfresco area which enjoys these amazing views.
Preparing your meals in this stunning renovated kitchen with one of the biggest walk-in pantries I've ever seen. You're also close to Yowie Bay boat ramp, Miranda Westfield's, and Yowie Bay Public School, local shops and cafes. Access to the pristine Port Hacking River, where you can enjoy wakeboarding, and the Royal National Park just on the other side. This is a great space for families and exploring, and it's all right at your doorstep.
And what about this? You've got so much room for car parking off street, in the garage, in the spaces, and there's even room for the toys.
Is this the one you've been waiting for?